everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. Super happy you're here because I'm going to be sharing some new in Cupshe pieces for fall. Can't wait to dig into it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks like to hang out with me. Wyatt's a white puppy dog. Zena is the tan, and if you see a kitty, that's Harvey. So subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so you may know Cupshe for bathing suits, but they have everything from beach to brunch and everything in between. I love Cupshe. Their prices are affordable. They have so much variety. It's not even funny. And they have some really pretty fall styles coming out that you're going to want to check out. We're going to dig into a few of those pieces right now. All right, so we're starting with this adorable suede-like skirt. I love this with the button detailing. It is stitched here, so it looks like a wrap, but it is not. It is faux, which I love. That way you don't have to worry about any type of wind event. This is shorter, so if you are uncomfortable with that, you might want to just put a bike short or something underneath here, but it has a nice fit. The length does come to below my fingertips, just for awareness. It's comfy, it's soft, it has stretch. I'm wearing a small. It is adorable. Feels very much like fall, and when the weather is nice, like today, it's actually about 75 degrees right now. This would be nice if you're trying to get in those fall vibes. You could put this on with a cute little lighter weight sweater. But also perfect as you transition into the colder months. Put on tights, high boots, it'll work for all. And then I paired it with this adorable sweater. Check this one out. So this one is a one shoulder style. I just put a little bralette on underneath here so I could try these pieces on. And this one has a nice pattern throughout the sweater. It has the wider sleeves, as you can see. You could wear it normal if you wanted, then it would be more like a boat neck. So whatever your style is, you don't have to wear it off the shoulder, but you could pick whichever shoulder you wanted to wear it, which side you want to showcase. Give it a little bit of a sexy vibe with the one shoulder. So cute. I did a little front tuck, but you don't have to. You could also wear a tank underneath this, depending on how you'd like to wear it. So cute, right? And it's very soft and feels comfy on. All right, so for this one, the light brown asymmetrical button mini skirt, $21.99. Like, I love Cupshe's prices, and I have a discount for you. So I have additional discount on top of these prices. It's amazing. $21.99. It comes in sizes small to extra large. It says, add a unique twist to your wardrobe with the light brown asymmetrical button mini skirt. The asymmetrical design and button detailing create a fresh modern look that's perfect for making a statement with minimal effort. It's woven, the wrap style, asymmetrical buttons, and it is regular wash. It's 90% polyester and 10% spandex. So then the orange off-shoulder slouchy sleeve sweater, this one is $29.99. I really am enjoying this. I wouldn't call this orange at all. I would call this more of a camel color. It's so pretty. And this comes in sizes small to extra large. I'm wearing a small in both of these pieces. And it says, brighten up your look with the orange off-shoulder slouchy sleeve sweater. Its off-shoulder design and relaxed sleeves offers a laid-back vibe with a pop of bold color. It's a knit, asymmetrical neckline, off-shoulder styling, slouchy long sleeves, and it's regular wash. It is 100% acrylic. All right, let me just tell you my discounts. We'll go over it again at the end, but use the code HAPPY15 for 15% off anything that you order, as long as you hit the price mark of 65. So 65 and over, HAPPY15 for 15% off. If you spend more than that and you get to the $109 mark, then use the code HAPPY20 and you'll get 20% off site-wide any order of $109 or more. Let's keep going. Another off-the-shoulder option, how about this cream sweater? This one is a looser fit. I have the whole thing tucked, but you could leave it out if you wanted. Again, that fuller sleeve, almost more like a dolman, right? So again, you could wear this regular if you wanted. Super cute. I have on a small. I love the little off shoulder. Just make it a little spicy, right? A little spicy. So cute. You can push up the sleeves. Just makes for such a nice topper. put on a cute necklace, you're really dressed up to go. High boots would be super cute with this. So many ways to wear it. Throw a jean jacket on over top if you wanted. Like really would pull out that great color in the skirt. What do you think of this one? So cute, right? All right, so this one is the Ivory off-shoulder puff sleeve sweater, $30.99, extra small to extra large. It says, make a statement with the Ivory off-shoulder puff sleeve sweater. The off-shoulder design and puff sleeve create a look that's both elegant and playful, offering a sophistication with a modern twist. It's knit, asymmetrical neckline, off-shoulder puff sleeve, and it is 100% nylon. I'm loving all the versatility, right? All right, so if you weren't sure about that last off-shoulder option, here's another one. This one has some crochet detail throughout the sweater. This one is super pretty. Again, very, very soft. Has great sleeves. Can wear it off the shoulder again, or you can wear it regular. It is considered off the shoulder, but you can wear it without being off shoulder. I did a full tuck on this one, but I'll pull it out for you because I wanted you to see these awesome pants. I'm in love with these. Are so cute. So these have a little bit of a crop style, flowy, in this awesome leopard print, which is so in this year. Just so, so cute. I love these. They're lightweight, so perfect to wear now and later. And swap out what shoes you wear. So cute, right? Here's what the sweater looks like out. This one is a little bit fuller. You can see. Would be really great with jeans as well. So this is a little bit longer than that last one I had on or any of the others that I shared. More of a slouchy, relaxed style. All right, so let's talk about these pieces. All right, so this one is the Ivory Crochet one shoulder sweater. Comes in 3 different colors. This color, a tan, and then it looks like a burgundy. $27.99. Extra small to extra large. And it says, drape yourself in style with our Ivory Crochet one shoulder sweater. The delicate crochet details and chic one shoulder design create a sweater that's perfect for embracing both warmth and trendiness. It's a knit, one shoulder style, long sleeves, ribbed trim, machine wash regular, and it's 100% acrylic. It is incredibly soft. And then for these pants, which I'm in love with, these are the leopard print wide leg pant, $22.99. Comes in small to extra large. I'm wearing both of these are a small that I'm wearing. And it says that it's woven, has pockets, wide leg, animal print, regular wash, 100% rayon. Love this. It would look super cute just with like a black tank or bodysuit as well. Another way to wear these fun pants would be with a vest. You could go with black, you could go with cream, you could go with a color like a burgundy or a bright pink would be cute. This one is a camel color. I'm enjoying this. You could wear this over top of a top or wear it by itself. The armholes are a little bit bigger, so my bralette is showing just a little bit, but not too bad. It does have detail throughout the sweater, a nice V-neck. I'm wearing a small. This is super comfy. Would be great again with jeans, with a skirt. I think this would look really great with a denim skirt and booties, and throw on a cute blazer if it pulls down. But until then, this would be a great way to wear it. All right, so this one is called the Camel Cable Knit V-neck vest. It comes in sizes small to extra large, $24.99. Amazing. It says the cable knit V-neck vest combines classic cable knit with a flattering V-neck for a touch of sophistication. Throw it over your favorite tee or shirt for a cozy chic look. So it would look adorable over top of a tee as well. Love that. Knit, V-neck, sleeveless, regular wash, 100% acrylic. So cute, right? I love this outfit. I'm so excited to share this one with you. All right, So if you thought the first skirt might be too short, but you really liked it, how about this version? This one is a skort, so it has that wrap style. It has a cute little buckle here. It's in this awesome color, which is like this off-white or bone color that's going to go with everything. I just did a little front tuck with this sweater. This is such an elevated look. And now I'm bringing some color because I showed all neutrals so far, but this one, relaxed fit, has all these pretty, pretty, pretty pops of color. Love it. Pair back to this skort, and it just really makes for a amazing outfit. I think it just pops. You could do a full tuck. You could leave it out. I like leaving it a little bit slouchy. You could swap out your shoes for boots. There's so much you could do with this look. I'm really enjoying it. You could throw on an oversized denim jacket. And I just love the prices. So this one is called the Confetti Cable Knit V-Neck Long Sleeve Sweater. $29.99. Comes in sizes small to extra large. I'm wearing the small. It says the Confetti Cable Knit V-Neck is here to brighten up your day with its playful pattern and cozy feel, perfect for those days when you just want to stay snug but make a statement. Knit, V-neck, long sleeve. It has that dot pattern, regular wash, 100% acrylic. So cute. All right, so then we have the beige faux leather wrap straight leg skort, $24.99. Comes in sizes small to extra large. I'm wearing a small. And step up your style game with the beige faux leather wrap straight leg skort. This piece combines the edge of faux leather with the practicality of a skort, offering a modern twist on the classic design. Woven wrap styling with felt, straight leg, regular wash, and it's 90% poly, 10% spandex. Love this outfit so much. They have so much variety, so many pieces to select from to really hone in on your personal style. These are, of course, my picks. I think these are super fun. But I encourage you to check out the Cupshe site. So many pieces at such great prices. I have one more look for you. Final outfit. All right, so now I swapped out the V-neck for this adorable cardigan. So much to love about this. Check out all the colors. So pretty. Then love the V-neck styling, and then love the pattern throughout it. Gorgeous, right? The sleeves are a little larger and more relaxed. They push up quite nicely. You could wear this open, wear it closed. You could do a little front tuck if you wanted. All up to you. There's so many ways to wear it. In love. Makes for such a fun, fun jacket. Or cardigan, sorry. Fun cardigan. I have shared so many Cupshe pieces with you. Lots for the summer, focused on bathing suits, bathing suit cover-ups, dresses for the summer. But they're also your go-to for great fashion for the fall at affordable prices. And don't forget, you can use my discount for Happy 15. If you spend $65 or more, get 15% off everything. Or if you hit that 109 or above mark, then use Happy 20 and get 20% off everything. Such a great deal and so many beautiful pieces. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Cupshe's motto is live life at the beach, so if only we could, but at least by bringing these pieces in, we can bring those beachy vibes. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing it. Or which piece was your favorite, and I will catch you next video. Bye, everybody.